Want to stop getting text notifications on your iPhone? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to easily silence your iPhone text notifications. Now let's get started. To silence text notifications on your iPhone, first open your Settings app. Then select Notifications. Scroll down and select Messages. To turn off the ringtone for text notifications, tap Sounds. Then select None. If you don't want to have any text notifications at all, tap the switch at the top to turn off text notifications altogether. If you ever want to turn them back on, simply tap the switch again to allow notifications. That's all it takes to silence text notifications on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.